Make a great choice today with the 1998 Dodge Ram van. Unlike full-size competitors from Chevrolet, Ford, and GMC, the Dodge Ram vans have unibody construction. Daimler Chrysler says this yields greater cargo space and payload capacity than the separate body-on-frame design that its rivals use. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, tow hitch, remote vehicle start, cruise control, power door locks, power steering, cup holders, map lights, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.